first attempt was a bit of a fail. Should have known that we are a little bit heavy. But grab the exit tracks off. Try and get a little bit of traction. And maybe just give it to her. Just to join the tracks together, get a bit more length for the purposes of getting traction. This time, I'm going to use the straps. Last time at Fraser, I lost, I think it was two of these boards in the sand because I didn't use these straps. And after about day 3 of these being lost, I went back and I think with the luck of the gods, we found them. Well, yeah, got the camper in, and if it wasn't for the exit tracks, seriously, we wouldn't have made it.